What up, y'all, and welcome to our channel. Today we're going out. It's Christmas. Me and my family want to wish y'all a Merry Christmas. Today we're going to have a buffet lunch. We've never done it before. It's the first time, and we wanted to take y'all along with us. So while we make our way to the place where we're going to eat, check out what we did last night. Check out these Christmas lights. They are amazing. Check them out. Yeah, this is the Grinch's place, and yeah, it's got all the colors of the Grinch. Got it everywhere. As you can see, there's a dancing Grinch in there. The kids are enjoying. This is the big Grinch over here, but it's just the lights and everything red and green as a Grinch. Okay, y'all, we arrived at our destination, and we're here at the Merryland Bowling Club. Today we're having buffet lunch, and yes, we're going in. I'll just turn you around so you can see where we're going. We're going into that place right there, and yes, got to have a buffet for today. Just got to go in here and go sign in, and then I'll show you around once we get inside.
Hey everyone, welcome to the Merryland's Bowling Club Christmas Day Buffet. As you can see, there is a lot of people here today, but let's check out the food on the menu. So this is the cold section: salads with sushi, imitation crab, some mussels, baby octopus and shrimp. And then you have the prawns as well as the toppings or sauces and lemon. And on the soup menu today, there is chicken and sweet corn, mushroom and pumpkin soup. Now let's start with the hot food. You got some barbecue chicken wings, some grilled fish, garlic bread and some more fish as well as pizza. Now the deep fried section was chicken nuggets, calamari rings, prawn chips, fries, sweet and sour pork, fish, spring rolls and chicken wings. In the roast section you had roast beef, ham, gravy, lamb, some more pizza, baked potato, which was a hit for our table, some pumpkin, as well as some macaroni and some really nice potatoes. They were cooked perfectly. So in the Asian section you had plain rice, fried rice, beef with chicken, vegetables, some noodles, curry prawns, some clams, as well as some grilled fish and soy, and then some condiments to the side. And then our last hot food section, you've got some pork, barbecued prawns, some barbecued vegetables, fish, taro, sausages, some chicken, lamb shanks. This is my favorite area, dessert. So here you've got bread pudding, baked custard, normal custard, and some sticky date pudding. The dessert continues. You've got some egg tarts, chocolate mousse, jelly, some trifle, and some fresh whipped cream. The dessert continues. Lamingtons, apple turnover, some profiteroles, sponge, tiramisu, chocolate cake, cheesecake, more chocolate mousse, and more jelly, as well as pavlova. And to end it off, you got some cookies and some Turkish delight. I almost forgot, there is also a real ice cream machine.
Okay, y'all, it's really packed in here today, and I tell you what, I was lucky enough to get up there to get me a plate. But on my plate, I don't know if you can't see it, but I'll try to bring it up to you. So I got a potato, I got some ham, baked potato, chicken wings, and some seafood stuff that Lil just gave me. But I'm going in on everything. Lord have mercy. Merry Christmas to you. And we ain't, what is that?
Barbecued pork, prawn.
That ain't bad. Very nice. Oh my gosh. But, surimi. When I said I wanted to come to this buffet, this is all I wanted to have. Was ham. I got some baked ham up there. My goodness. Okay. All right, people. Plate number 2. I got seafood, so I got some peeled prawns. I got some prawns that I got the peel. I got some mussels. Got some more surimi salad and got a little bit in it. And I got me an octopus. Something I've been wanting to try here. Not try, but have. I'm just gonna take a little bit of lemon and put on top of these mussels and this octopus. And these prawns here, I didn't get any sauce. All I needed was lemon, so just gonna put some of that on that. I gotta have my octopus first. Oh, the hell with a fork. Here we go. Pick it up with your fingers. Oh. That got some great flavor on that octopus. Oh my God. Yeah. So this is the family, people. We they saying Merry Christmas. If you can't hear them, they say Merry Christmas. So this is the family. We're here in Sydney, and we're having a Christmas brunch. So hey, this is how we're doing it this Christmas. We ain't cooking. We decided to come to the club and have brunch. And I'm glad we did, because I'm having all the seafood that I want. Oh my goodness, it's absolutely beautiful. Man. But yeah, I'm finna get back into this plate, so, because I got to go for a round 3, because there's one place I did not get, and I'm gonna get it. And I'm going to get there. As a matter of fact, there's 2 more, so there's 2 more places I got to get, and I'm going to get into them, so y'all stay tuned. I'll show you when I get it. Hey y'all, right about now we had some technical difficulties with our mics, so you can't count on them sometimes, but sometimes you can. But hey, this is where we're ending the video. Just letting you know, thank you for being with us, and then coming to join us for lunch on this day. And we appreciate and love every one of y'all. Also, we just want to say thank you for being with us to the end of the video. And if you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell notification, let you know when we put more stuff out. Also give us a thumbs up if you really like this content. But yeah, thank you again. We love and appreciate you. And y'all stay blessed, stay safe out there, and happy holidays. We're going to sign off now, and you know what we end with. as like always, y'all just be safe, and we're gonna say peace.